What's up, guys? This is Steve from Outsider Garage. Doing a short video today on our JDM to US license plate bracket adapters. So right now we have two different options for anybody out there with a JDM vehicle that they've imported into the United States. You'll soon find out that the license plate bolt mounting pattern on your car does not match the US spec license plate. So we have created a simple, sturdy solution out of aluminum that allows you to basically bolt this up to your car and then bolt your US plate up to the bracket. These are great because they are made out of aluminum, so they are very sturdy. This is not the type of thing that you're going to bend easily or break. There's a few people out there making them out of making it out of like 3D printers. And they tend to be a little bit weak and can potentially break, which you really don't want to happen. You don't want your license plate to fall on the ground. And if you're not looking for like a janky install with like zip ties or drilling a hole through your license plate, this is definitely the go-to solution. These are on our website. They're also available on Amazon.com. Just search for JDM to US license plate bracket, and they'll pop up. Recently, we added something new to the lineup. This is our same bracket as previous, but now we have a tab on the top here, and the purpose for that tab is to mount a reverse camera. So we talked to some car owners, and one of the common complaints about the reverse cameras were that they were mounted in weird places underneath, the bumper or on the vehicle itself, or so close to the license plate that you couldn't remove the license plate without removing the camera. So we designed this bracket, and basically it allows the installation of a camera that is similar to this style right here. This is a TE190 camera. This is a very high quality, kind of expensive camera, but the style itself, as you can see, it's got an 8mm mounting pillar here with the wire that comes through at the top, and it's also got a wide angle adjustable lens on it. There's a number of these cameras available on Amazon and other places, ranging anywhere from the $30 to $50 mark, basically. They install very easily through our bracket. You just thread the wiring up through the hole, and then there's a nut and lock washer that you attach, and you can see they mount very nicely. And then once you can lock them in place, you can adjust the camera lens, etc., etc. For anybody who's coming here and they found this video because they have a bracket of ours, maybe they want to learn about exactly what the hardware is for and how to install it. So I figured I'd cover that right now as well. So our base bracket comes like this, and it's got two countersunk holes on the end. Those are the holes that are going to go into your actual car itself. So we provide two longer stainless steel pieces of hardware to go in here, and you'll see that they sit recessed so that when you do put your license plate on, that doesn't interfere with them. And then the two smaller screws here and these two fancy washers, again stainless steel, they're going to go like this, and they're going to mount into the inner holes and hold your license plate. That's really it, guys. We are going to be adding to the lineup probably a couple other smaller adapters for these actual license plate bracket adapters to accommodate other camera styles and mounting positions. But for the time being, you can go on our website and you can find a list of compatible cameras on Amazon. We have links there. You can simply just go click on one of those links, purchase the camera, the bracket, and you're off and running on the installation. Going to be doing a series of small videos similar to this with other products that we offer, including technical information and installation information. So stay tuned, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you.